Alright, we are at the west parking deck. I forgot, this one talks. Alright, up to 6, we'll watch here first. Not much of a view on this side.
Parking level 6, going down.
Oh yeah, this one automatically calls itself back to 1 for some reason. Alright, we'll watch out this side now. See if any of the car lights work. Oh, we're already stopped.
Please stand clear of the doors. Parking level 5, going down. Please stand clear of the doors. Third floor, going down. Please stand clear of the doors.
Sorry, this is for a project.
Oh, you're fine.
Going up.
We're going up.
Yeah, I'm staying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we 5? Yeah.
Oh, would you hit 6 to me, please? Thank you.
Please stand clear of the doors. Parking level 5, going up.
Going up.
I mean, it's gonna come back down anyway, so. It's gonna be real
Please
funny when I
stand
see
clear
it
of the
again.
doors. Parking level 6, going down.
Of course, it recalls itself. I don't know why it does that. The cars get progressively harder to see as it goes down. And here we are again.
Please stand clear of the doors. Parking level 5, going down. Please stand clear of the doors. Third floor, going down.
You know?
Well, thank you, man.
So watch the elevator go. There it goes. See the toot on. That's it.